Got class 37 on the train. We've got class 22 Meridian coming into platform 1 at Loughborough station. I'm saying Loughborough station today because I'm here. Coming from Leicester and going up to Derby. Class 222. This is the class 222 again, leaving platform 1, going up to, I think it's Derby and Chesterfield, or Chesterfield and Derby, and Loughborough, class 222 again. This is a class 222. I'm quite close to the train because I didn't know they'd come this far down. Going from Loughborough station, platform 2, going down to London to Pancras. Class 222 to platform 2. We've got a class 158 platform 3 at Loughborough station going to Leicester from Loughborough. This is class 158 T-car. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through at high speed on platform 1 at Loughborough going up to Nottingham or Sheffield. Class 222. We've got a class 180 coming through platform 2. Woo! That is fast. High speed. We've got a class 158 leaving platform 3 going up to Lincoln Central from Loughborough platform 3. T-car. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 at Loughborough station going to Derby or Nottingham. Woohoo! That is fast. Class 222. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 2 at Loughborough station from Derby or Nottingham going down to London to Pancras or Leicester. Woohoo! Class 222. High speed. This is a class 222 going to be leaving platform 1 going up to, I don't know if it's Nottingham or Derby, from platform 1 Loughborough station, class 222. Now go and wave off the driver. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming into platform 2 at Loughborough station, going from here, Leicester, Market Harborough down to London's Pancras. And this is the train I came up on with my dad. TDT 014, that's the train I came up on from Market Harborough. Really weird seeing the train I came up on. Class 222. We've got a Class 222 Meridian going to be leaving, or is leaving platform 1 at Loughborough station going to Sheffield. This is Class 222. Got a wave off the driver. We got one side, we got a Class, don't know if it's another 158 coming in on platform 3. Got a bugly on my hand. That's going down to Leicester. Yeah, 158, 2 car. We got a Class 222 Meridian come from on platform 2 going down to London's Pancras. We've got a Class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 at Loughborough station. Good T-tone there. Woohoo! High speed. I love the high speed ones. We've got a Class 222 Meridian coming through platform 2 at Loughborough station going down to Leicester. Come from Nottingham or Sheffield. This is a Class 158, that's what most of them are, what go from Leicester to Lincoln or Grantham, leaving platform 3. This is the 2 car. Platform 3 Loughborough. We got a Class 66 coming through Loughborough station over on the brush side of Loughborough station, coming through, going south. Class 66. Yeah, you got a T-tone. Great train as well. That was nice to see. We've got a Class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 at Loughborough station going north. Great bridge. Thought I'd start this video early, I can't see what's coming around the corner to it. Oh, here it comes. Nice, light engine. Away off the driver. 37. 57, sorry, not 37. The rail train. Going north. This is a Class 180 at platform 1 at Loughborough station going north of Loughborough. This is a Class 180, the ones I call squeaky brakes. Just leaving platform 1 now, going north.
And not every disability or condition is visible.
This is an EMR 180.
And advice. Please don't travel if you have any.
We've got a class 222 going to be leaving platform 1 at Loughborough station, going to Sheffield or Nottingham.
On our website.
This is a class 222.
Wear a face covering out of respect to others.
Just leaving now.
eastmidlandsrailway.co.uk for more information about what we are doing, as well as other useful information to help you travel with confidence.
I'll wave off the driver. We've got another class 222 coming into platform 2 at Loughborough station from Nottingham or Sheffield. This is class 222. We go down to Leicester and London St Pancras. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 at Loughborough station, going north.
6 minutes.
High speed. We've got a class 1 at 70. Got a bit of number missing on this train. EMR 2 car, used to be Scottish Rail, going down to Leicester. Very rare we ever see this one. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 2. High speed. We've got a class 66 goods train going to be stopping platform 1 because we're on a red light for some reason. We've got a GBRF class 66. I don't know why we've got a red light. Got nice GBRFs class 66.
This weekend, major engineering work is taking place between London
I don't know why it was green, now it's gone red.
All East Midlands Railway services will start at 10:30 at Luton.
Look at this, nice GBRF, brand new one as well, new 66.
Where you can then use regional or Thameslink services to and from London. A shuttle service will be available.
Nice. 66795. That looks like a newish one. For some reason it was red, going to be passing through, but it was green, sorry, but it's red now. The length of that. I'm going to pause this and go up the top end past of it coming out. I'll be right back. Going to go up the far end and catch it coming out. This is that class 66 leaving from being on the red light. Oh, out of breath. Just got up and it was just started to roll out. Oh. Originally it was going to pass through, but it went to a red light. Oh, I'm knackered. Oh, I'm trying to get up here just before it left. Well, started to move, but it just started to roll when I got there. This is that class 66 again. Oh, whew. Well, I'm unfit, but oh well. A nice big black cloud in the background. Yeah, for some reason it was going to go through and it went on to the red light. Shame, because it was going to pass through. There we go, class 66 again. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 at Loughborough station going north. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 2 going down to Leicester. We've got a class 222 Meridian leaving platform 1 at Loughborough station going up to Nottingham or Sheffield. This is a class 222. We've got a class 180 coming into platform 2 from, I don't know if it's Nottingham, going down to Leicester and Market Harbour or down to London St Pancras. It's class 180. Where did the squeaky brake? It's the same one I saw a bit earlier on. We've got a class 222 Meridian going to be leaving platform 1 going to, I think it says Sheffield on the front. This is class 222. This is 222009. Wave off the driver. Did say hello to me.
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. If you do spot anything suspicious, please speak to a member of our station's British Transport Police. You can also text British Transport Police on 61016.
We've got a class 222 Meridian going to be leaving platform 2 going to Leicester and to London St Pancras. The train number is 222021. So you sort shot can get the train because it's quite close to the bridge. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 at Loughborough station going north. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming from Nottingham or Sheffield coming through platform 2 at Loughborough. Starting this side, we've got a class 170 2-car EMR going up to Grimsby town on platform 3. This is the one we saw earlier. We've got a class 222 Meridian coming through platform 1 from Leicester up to Nottingham or Derby up that way. We've got a Class TTT Meridian coming through platform 2 at Loughborough station. Whoa! Class 37. Way, good T-tone there. Oh, the Class 37s again. Woohoo! Got a good T-tone as well. That's the Class 37s I saw earlier. Nice. Class 180 coming into platform 1 at Loughborough station going north. (180-111). Seriously, need to sort the brakes out on these trains. Seriously. We got a Class TTT Meridian coming through platform 2, going down to Leicester from Nottingham or Sheffield.
See it, say it.
This is a Class TTT Meridian leaving platform 1, going up to Nottingham or Sheffield from Loughborough platform 1. Leaving now. Wave of the driver. Got a T-tone off this Meridian just coming in. Oh no, it's a 180. Sorry, 180 coming in to the T-tone. Coming into platform 2 at Loughborough. 180-111 again. Yeah, I saw that earlier on this morning. Or earlier on. Squeaky brakes. We've got a 2-car train coming into platform 3, going to be going down to Leicester. It's a 156, one of our EMR colours. And this side on platform 2 we've got a Class TTT Meridian coming into platform 2 from Sheffield or Nottingham, going to be going down to Leicester, down to Market Loughborough or London St Pancras. The wave off the driver. TTT 009, I think we saw that one this morning. We've got a Class TTT Meridian TTT 022 leaving platform 1 of Loughborough station going up to Nottingham or Sheffield. Loughborough.